Hello everyone. In this video we will be discussing about the important topics of the chapter nervous system and reproductive system. For the other chapters of ICSE, I have already made the videos and I will be sharing the link in the description box. Please do click and you can see the different important topics from the different chapters. Now starting up with nervous system. In the chapter nervous system there are two diagrams, that is the structure of a neuron and the structure of a reflex arc. Both the diagrams are very important drawing point of view. Actually these diagrams, they come for drawing, and you must have seen, if you go through the previous papers, board papers, you will find that there are these diagrams are there in the these diagrams are there in the almost all the chapters, like like reflex arc is there in the previous board papers. Structure of neuron is asked to draw. So these diagrams, these are the two diagrams which are very important for drawing point of view. Then we have diagrammatic questions. In diagrammatic questions, structure of brain is kind of very important. Why? Because this question has also been repeatedly, it's coming in the previous papers. Then come to the different definitions. Now what is important in definitions? The type of reflexes with their examples is a very important topic. Why? Because in this, what will you be doing? You will be learning, there are multiple examples given in your book. Learn those examples and they can be given as, find the natural reflexes from this, from the reflexes given above, find the conditioned reflexes. So you must know the examples plus the definitions. This is also one of the questions which is very frequently asked. Then the next part, it's divided into two parts, nervous system. The next part is sense organs, and from the chapter sense organs, the structure which the diagram which frequently comes for drawing, that is the defects of the eye. What do? They make a defect and then they ask a question ki, okay fine, identify the defect, how can it be corrected? Redraw the diagram showing the correction. Okay, so this is something which is important for drawing. Generally structure of eye and ear, they don't come for drawing. If yes, for structure of ear, internal ear comes for drawing, but from the eye part, defects are most frequently asked rather than structure of eye. Then structure of ear, important. And out of this structure of ear, in my videos also, in my videos where I have specified that these are some of the topics which are like sure to come, there I have mentioned that structure of internal ear, it has many a times repeatedly, in alternate board exams it is there in the paper. So structure of internal ear is also one of the important topics which can come. Then is the functioning of eye and the eye defects. These are very important questions and they can be asked in a full 5 marker. So you cannot leave these topics. And then obviously there's the last topic, function of eye, ear, one marker or somewhere it can be asked. So these are some of the very important topics from the chapter nervous system, part A and part B, where we have discussed about the sense organs. Please do refer to the eye defects very with a lot of dedication, because many questions they come from eye defects. The type of eye defect, how can it be corrected? It can come as a diagrammatic question, it can come for drawing, it can come in other statement questions, but these are some of the topics which are very important. Now come to the next chapter, that is reproductive system. Now for drawing, first of all, for drawing, structure of sperm, a very important topic, because this diagram has repeatedly, it has come in papers. Structure of how to draw the structure of sperm and ova not that frequently, but structure of sperm is very important. It can come as a 2 marker, like a 5 marker question is there which has been put from this chapter. So there they can give you a 2 marker diagram to draw the structure of sperm. Please do learn it properly. Then diagrammatic question, very important, male and female reproductive system. This time there are chances of these systems to come in your paper, whether it is male or female reproductive system. There are diagrammatic questions where vasectomy and tubectomy have also been asked as diagrammatic question. That is from AIDS to Health chapter, where contraceptives are discussed. But female, that means female, The chances of male reproductive system, very bright chances of, you know, male reproductive system to be there in the paper. And also a uterus with the developing embryo. There is a diagram in your book in which the uterus is there with the developing embryo. If you want to refer to all these videos, I have made all these videos on my channel. They are there in my channel. Please go to the playlist for 10th ICSE. You will find each and every chapter explained in detail in the on the channel. Then now the structure of these male and female reproductive system, very important. They can come for labeling, and then the further questions can be asked from it. Then the stages of menstrual cycle. This is also something very important. This is in part B of reproductive system, where the menstrual cycle is explained. Ostrus phase, then follicular, luteal, menstrual phase, all those phases are explained. That diagram is also very important, and there is a diagram where in the ovary the formation of corpus luteum and ova and all is explained. That diagram is also very important. If you want to refer, again I am telling you, go to reproductive system, female reproductive system on my channel. Everything has been clearly explained. The diagrams have been drawn on the board and have been explained. You can clearly get an idea from there. Then come to the definition. We have fertilization, implantation, parturition, gestation. These are a few definitions which very frequently come, like in one marker. What is gestation, what is parturition, and I've explained again. I have explained all these definitions in my videos. Then the structure of a placenta and its function. Very important. In 2 marker they give you, write the different functions of placenta, and then you have to just mark them as 1, 2, 3, 4, and you write the functions of placenta. These are some of the very important topics not to leave from your chapters nervous system and reproductive system. All the other chapters, the description, the links for all the other chapters are given in the description box. Please do click on those and watch the videos, and please do those topics. Now this is the time, a very few days are left for exams. Please do go through those topics thoroughly so that you can easily, you know, prepare well for your board exams. If you want the notes, the link is also shared in the description box. They are there at a very minimal price. You can click on the video and then you can follow the instruction whatever is being given. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Keep watching, sharing, subscribing. Thank you.